This video is about the most common English mistakes and its correction. I have visited Niagara Falls last weekend. तो ये इनकरेक्ट है, इसमें हैव की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. करेक्ट सेंटेंस विल बी आई विजिटेड Niagara Falls last weekend. The woman which works here is from Japan. तो इसको हम करेक्ट इस तरह रखेंगे, the woman who works, not which. The woman who works here is from Japan. She married with a dentist. तो ये with नहीं होगा, she is married to a dentist. She was boring in the class. बोरिंग का मतलब इधर पर गलत निकलता है, तो इसको करेक्ट हम लिखेंगे she was bored in the class. I must to call him immediately. इसमें to की ज़रूरत नहीं है, must call him immediately. करेक्ट ऐसा होगा. Every students like the teacher. Every के जब आ गया तो स्टूडेंट के साथ फिर s नहीं लगा सकते. Every student likes the teacher. Although it was raining, but we had the picnic. Although it was raining, we had the picnic. जब although आ गया फिर but लगाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. I enjoyed from the movie. तो इधर from की ज़रूरत नहीं. I enjoyed the movie या I enjoyed myself from the movie. I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. I like much ice cream. ये गलत है, करेक्ट ऐसा होगा I like ice cream very much. She can do dryer. Do की ज़रूरत, she can to dryer, तो इधर to एक्स्ट्रा लिखा है, she can dryer, ये करेक्ट होगा. Where can I find a bank? ये करेक्ट ऐसा होगा Where can I find a bank? I live in United States. तो इसको हम करेक्ट ऐसे करेंगे I live in the United States. When I will arrive, I will call you. When I arrive, I will call you. एक बार will आएगा. I have been here since 3 months. तो करेक्ट ऐसे कहेंगे I have been here for 3 months. My boyfriend has got a new work. My boyfriend has got a new job, not new work. She does not listen me. Listen के बाद to आएगा. She does not listen to me. You speak English good, not good. You speak English well, ऐसा कहेंगे. The police is coming. पुलिस के साथ is नहीं आएगा, पुलिस के साथ are आएगा हमेशा. The police are coming. एक कलेक्टिव नाउन है. The house is not enough big. The house is not big enough. Enough बाद में रहेगा. You should not to smoke. To के इधर कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. You should not smoke. Do you like a glass of wine? Would you like a glass of wine? There are 7 girls in the class. There are 7 girls in the class. I didn't meet nobody. जब did not आ गया तो no दोबारा नहीं लगा सकते. I did not meet anybody. My flight departs in 5 a.m. टाइम के साथ 8 आता है. My flight departs at 5 a.m. I promise I call you next week. I promise I will call you next week. Where is post office? Where is the post office? Please explain me how improve my English. Please explain me how to. Please explain to me how to improve my English. We studied during 4 hours. ये गलत है, इसको हम कहेंगे We studied for 4 hours. Is ready my passport? तो इसको हम सही ऐसे कहेंगे Is my passport ready? यू कैन नॉट बाय ऑल वट यू लाइक, इसका करेक्शन होगा यू कैन नॉट बाय ऑल दैट यू लाइक। शी इज़ सक्सेस, तो शी इज़ नॉट ए सक्सेस, शी इज़ सक्सेसफुल। माई मदर वांटेड दैट आई बी डॉक्टर, गलत है, माई मदर वांटेड मी टू बी अ डॉक्टर। द लाइफ इज़ हार्ड, life is hard, not the life. How many children you have? How many children do you have? My brother has 10 years. My brother is 10. I want eat now. इसको करेक्ट ऐसे करेंगे I want to eat now. You are very nice as your mother. ये wrong sentence है. You are very nice like your mother. She said me that she liked you. She told me that she liked you. My husband engineer, ये गलत है, my husband is an engineer. I came Australia to study English, तो इसको हम इस तरह ठीक करेंगे I came to Australia to study English. It is more hot now. More hot नहीं आएगा, hotter आएगा, it's hotter now. You can give me an information. Can you give me some information? ये ठीक इस तरह होगा। They cooked the dinner themselves. Themselves नहीं आता, themselves ज़्यादा है। Me and Johnny live here. Johnny and I live here. I बाद में लिखा जाएगा। I closed very quietly the door. इसका करेक्ट होगा आई क्लोज्ड द डोर वेरी क्वाइटली। यू लाइक डांस विद मी, करेक्ट आंसर ऐसा होगा वुड यू लाइक टू डांस विद मी। आई गो ऑलवेज टू स्कूल बाय सबवे, इनकरेक्ट है, करेक्ट इस तरह होगा आई ऑलवेज गो टू स्कूल बाय सबवे। इफ़ आई विल बी इन लंडन आई विल कॉन्टेक्ट टू यू, तो इसको करेक्ट बनाएंगे If I am in London, I will contact you. We drive usually to home. इसका करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा We usually drive home. So guys, this was the end of the lecture. Please must like this video and give your feedback and subscribe this channel for such type of more informative videos.